Explore an open world by land and sea. Discover new locations, visit cities, and fulfill quests in a changing world. As you try to avoid the spread of the Shogun's influence. But that's not all. Enter multiple locations, with unique events for each scenario that will depend on chance and your past actions. Fate may benefit either the Shogun's hordes or you. Face enemies with a variable AI, using with strategy the unique abilities of each character, combining them with various kinds of attacks. Face complex bosses with a specific and unique AI for each turn. Use the environment to your advantage. Dare to add the focus die to your attacks to make them lethal for your enemies, or for yourself. And when there is no hope left, you can perform the Harakiri and give your body to the kami's. And for those brave enough to enter the world of Harakiri alone, get ready to meet the greatest of horrors. Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime in Harakiri, Blades of Honor, coming soon to Kickstarter.